The manual gear shifter here is as you would expect. Depending upon model and trim, you'll either have 5 or 6 gears and reverse. Whatever gear you're in will be displayed on the instrument panel. It will also prompt you to change gear at the optimum point. In the 6-gear manual gearbox, to access reverse, raise the ring under the gear lever. Move the gear selector to the left and then forwards. In the 5-gear manual gearbox, reverse is accessed by moving the gear fully to the right and then backwards. The parking brake is here. To release the brake, pull the lever up slightly, press the release button and then lower the lever fully. To put the brake on, pull the lever fully up.
Citroën.